Just detaching the trailer again and thinking about what an awesome thing this is to have the foldable tongue. But here it is in its ready to roll condition. Thought I might do a follow-up video and just mention a couple of things that I might do a little bit differently if I would do it again. So the first thing is the amount of bolting that there is involved here. It's not that big of a deal, certainly not that inconvenient, but we do have quite a few bolts. And these bolts are just a little bit too tight, so I think it needs to be reamed out another few thousandths. I mean, it's loose enough that it functions, but it's just a little bit, I think the tolerance is a little too tight. So the other thing is I would probably make the tongue a little bit shorter. As much as I really like the long tongue, it doesn't quite fit in the garage until you let the front all the way down. Which means there's a fair amount of widening on this thing, both up and down, up to get onto the hitch and down to allow the tongue to get into the garage. Once the jack on the trailer has been set down, then it comes into the garage. Barely. So a little bit shorter tongue would have been a smarter idea. Again, the long tongue was for another purpose, which has proven out really nice, but in practicality it's a little bit too long. Another thing is I need to get something inside of this to control those wires. Notice how they kind of drop out, and if I put this right back down, then they want to pinch. They've got to have enough roll that they can get in and out, but you have to be really careful not to pinch them. But a few of the things I really like are the fact that this sets right down. If these straps weren't here, it would set all the way down against the trailer. That's beautiful. It makes the trailer fit nicely in the garage. Even when it's loaded like you see here,